And just like that, we are back, my people. We are back with something super dope for you guys. Okay, let's get right into it, guys. First and foremost, let me start off by saying thank you for being here. I know you guys could be anywhere but here, but you're here with me, and I appreciate you very, very much. If this is the kind of content you guys enjoy to watch, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's very simple. Just subscribe and press that like button for your doggy. And let's keep it pushing, man. Alright, first and foremost, man, I am over excited right now. I'm like super hyper excited right now because this has been like maybe a year in the making. Yeah, I've been waiting a very long time for this to come in, me and my wife, and we had won this. We actually won this. My wife was actually on a Something's Killing Children Facebook group. And this Facebook group afforded the members of the group a once-in-a-lifetime chance to win something very rare, something very exclusive, something CGC graded already, and a signature series at that. So this is a one-on-one CGC Slab comic book, and it's remarked from my understanding and signed, triple sign, double sign. I don't even know how many signatures on it. That's the surprise. That's what we all waiting for. I haven't opened it. I'm opening it with you guys. I am sharing the fun with you guys. So please leave a like. And please leave a comment, man. Let me know you alive out there, man. Let me know you still rocking with Doggy, even though Doggy got a lot of haters. But you know, it's a small world, man. I'll see you guys out there one day or another. You know what I'm saying? Because Doggy stay in traffic. But nonetheless, I'm going to get to this, man. So we're going to get into this, man. My wife won this on a raffle. I think she bought maybe like 3 spaces in the raffle. And we hit. And we hit for a 1-of-1 CGC Signature Series, Something's Killing the Children graded comic book. So we're going to get into it and we're going to see what it is. Alright, guys, let's do it. Like I said, man, Doggy stay in traffic, man. It's a small world, man. You know one thing about New York, you always got to cut through New York to do whatever you want to do for collecting, fashion, whatever you want to do. And New York is very small, man. At least the people I know what I'm saying, from different boroughs, you know, we stay in touch, we in contact, we in cahoots, we still linky, even though everybody doing their own thing, but we still linky, man. So, you know, it's a small world, man, so you never know who knows who with where the hell, you know what I'm saying, where you might bump into somebody, you know what I mean? But nonetheless, man, I hope to see one of you guys out there, man, so we can shake hands and hug it up and, you know, smile and, you know, we get to see each other's energy, you know what I mean? Oh my God, this is a hit right here. All right, guys, we got the comic book. It's out, and here it is. Here it is. Oh my God, look at that. Woo! Look at that beauty. And this is the wraparound. This is the Ivan Towel. The Ivan Towel wraparound. So super clean. Look at that remark, guys. Look at that double remark. Ooh wee. Beauty. And this is a 1-on-1. This is a 1-on-1. Alright, I'm glad you guys is here with me. Seeing this beauty. Seeing this beauty with me. Just a little quick video for you guys, man. Nothing crazy. Just to let you know, Doggy's still in the loop. And I enjoy sharing with you guys, man. Appreciate so much for you guys to be here with Doggy. Where you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me. Alright, man, I'm gonna leave you to it, man. That's all I got for you for the day. See you on the next one. Everybody stay safe. Sucker free. Know what it is, doggy, man. One. Doggy. Ah.